this time. And my mother put a bowl in front of me. She said, try it. I said, alright. I took one bite and I said, whoa, is this? This is delicious. What's it called? She said, it's called Soggy Puffs. And I said, Soggy Puffs? Wow, where do I get them? She said, you don't get them, they get you. And I said, what do you mean by that? And then she disappeared, she just vanished. And I was like, oh no, where did my mom go? And then I heard the TV. I looked at the TV and I saw her in the TV in this cartoon, and she said,